Clobber. To hit someone or something hard, to defeat someone badly. I will clobber you if you lie again. He clobbered the punching bag with full force. The boxer clobbered his opponent in the first round. Smirk. A small, often rude, proud, or self-satisfied smile that shows confidence, sarcasm, or disrespect. He smirked after winning the game. He didn't say a word, just smirked and walked away. Fib. A small, harmless lie. I fibbed about my age at the interview. I hate fibbing, but I didn't want to hurt her. Hunch. A feeling or guess about something without clear proof or evidence. I have a hunch that it's going to rain today. I have a hunch something good will happen today. Don't make decisions only based on a hunch. Slacker. A person who avoids work or responsibility, someone who is lazy. My boss thinks I am a slacker, but I am not. Don't be a slacker, finish your homework on time. The elope. To run away secretly to get married, usually without family approval. They eloped and got married at a countryside resort. If things get worse, we'll just elope quietly. Scoff. To speak or laugh about someone or something in a mocking or disrespectful way. He scoffed at my idea during the meeting. I told them my plan, and they just scoffed at me. Gawk. To stare openly and stupidly, often with your mouth slightly open. Everyone was gawking at the luxury sports car. Stop gawking at strangers, it looks very rude. Everyone was gawking at the famous singer on stage. Rant. To speak or complain loudly, angrily, or for a long time about something. He ranted for 10 minutes about the slow Wi-Fi. Sorry, I am just ranting because I had a terrible day at work. Loathe. To hate something or someone very strongly, stronger than dislike. I absolutely loathe waking up early on Sundays. I don't just dislike him, I truly loathe him. Stagger. To walk or move unsteadily, as if you might fall, often because of tiredness, shock, or dizziness. The drunk guy was staggering and talking loudly. The old man staggered as he tried to walk. Scribble. To write or draw quickly and carelessly, often in a messy way. I scribbled the address on a small paper. Please do not scribble on the classroom walls. The doctor's prescription is just a scribble to me. Wail. To cry or complain loudly in a high voice, especially because of sadness, pain, or strong emotion. The baby is wailing again, maybe he is hungry. The woman was wailing in grief at the funeral. Obstinate. Very stubborn, refusing to change your opinion or behavior, even when others try to convince you. He is too obstinate to admit he was wrong. My dog is so obstinate, he refuses to move once he lies down. Bug. To annoy, disturb, or irritate someone repeatedly. Please don't bug me during my online class. He has been bugging me since morning for help. Mimic. To copy someone's speech, behavior, or actions, often by imitation, sometimes for fun or mockery. Stop it! You are mimicking my laugh again. Stop mimicking my accent. It's not funny.